In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video to Runway ML. We'll move through the process step by step, so your footage is ready to use inside your project. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect during the upload, and how to confirm everything is in the right place. First, open your Runway project. Head to the website at app.runwayml.com, sign in, and open the specific project where you plan to use your video. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace. Look to the left side of the screen for the sidebar. This is your central hub for tools and media. Before you go any further, make sure you're inside the correct project. Uploads are stored at the project level, so starting in the right place keeps your library organized and saves you from re-uploading later. Next, go to your Assets library. In the left sidebar, click the item labeled Assets, or it may appear as Library depending on your view. This section is where all your media lives, videos, images, and clips. Think of it as the storage shelf for everything you'll bring into your edits and tools. If you're already working inside a tool with a timeline or an editor view, you may notice an upload option there as well. Some tools let you upload directly from within the editor, which can be convenient, but the Assets view gives you the clearest overview of what's in your project. Now, let's upload your video. In the Assets view, look for the Upload button at the top and click it. Choose the video file on your computer. Formats like MP4 or MOV work well. You can select a single file or pick multiple files if you want to bring in several clips at once. After you confirm your selection, you'll see a progress bar indicating the status of the upload. Larger files may take longer, so it's best to keep the tab open and let it finish. If your connection is slower, be patient and allow the progress bar to complete fully. When the upload is done, your video will appear in the Assets list, typically with a thumbnail and file name. That's your confirmation that the file is successfully stored in the project and ready to be used in your edits and tools. That's it. Open your project, navigate to Assets, and upload your video. With your media in the library, you're all set to start creating.